have made them go. How are you? Welcome. Ba da kai nake ba da Allah. Jira ta da kai. Ina ta kai ne. Aku boleh ni mai bata de cari. Aku beli orang tu na, boleh basaran. Ya dia, orang ni ya dia ya. Boleh juga mam, boleh ni mam. Boleh ada orang ni. Anda cakap ni boleh. Okay, this one is good to go. All right.
Wannan na gaya masa kenan tun da da yanzu ma ni abun nan yayi
How are you guys? Morning. How about it? Morning. Morning, sir. We perfect. Well done. Where are the police? Where are the police? No, I'm running for nursing. Okay, yes. Is it resistant? It's not resistant. So it has not expired.
There is one drug we saw here, Feldin. Be a case of parallel importation. Yes. Parallel importation. There is another one that is validation.
Validation.
But we did not see it in carton. We saw it in a pack of 6. Okay. Pieces of 6.
Big man. Well done. I sell. I was wondering. Yes, no, it's part of the things we are. Okay. Yeah, it's part of the things we are.
I don't see it for the first time.
Yeah, I just seen it for the first time. It's from Aba. Don't break it again. No. We use the one that you have broken.
We have done all this because I want to get the paper. What was marked on them is why. I don't know whether we need to.
No. I know this one was key because it's part of the list for anti-malaria.
the ones with question marks.
This one, eh? This extension.
It's more like that. For this register, this is unregistered.
Yeah.
This is unregistered. But they are the same. And the same name from the same country. We found them, mopped them up in the same carton.
In the same carton. Good to them. Let me collect the test. Before the last day. So, but the reality of this is not certain. What is done for you? What do you have the reality of it? Or let me call them. If you have a certain relationship. Yes, sir. He's still there. Okay, go on.
Balance.
You don't talk anyhow now. Just do your job, Oga. never used to go for.
Hey, go for it. This is that.
See, and the same thing with this one. And they still do their thing before. Thank you. Thank you. See, now I put I remember that I put on for Zella. Okay. So no. Watch your side, watch the other side. I think about this kitchen. Who understand outside? I don't understand. Thank you. This is Aba. Eh? This is Aba. The guy now? Yeah, I can't do it. Can Banka. I can't do it. Banka. If I search and find one, will I do? Anyway, go. If I search and find one, you can search. I don't have to see this shop. I don't have to list you don't? Secure the next place too. Okay, sir. Secure the next place. Have they sent the money?
Check it.
I got in the market. See this, sir. You bought in the market like this?
So I got in the market and we selling this. I got in the market.
Like this? This is what they carry from truck when we're loading.
No, I bought in the market.
See, do you see?
So I bought this in the market.
Okay, no problem.
This will be here for years.
Give me the invoice you used to buy it and the date you bought it.
This will be years now. I think they are ready to.
No, give me the invoice you used to buy it and the date. I want to see the date you bought it.
No, I used to buy it.
No.
got in the market. I don't know.
Just give me a good one. I used to buy this.
You cannot put this invoice for me. You follow me. She also does.
Sir, I think I'm telling you the truth.
The thing.
No, I said
you are not. No, you are not
telling you the truth.
You are not telling me anything.
What from the market service? You will go to the market and buy something like this? Look at this very well. You will go to the market and buy something like this and take it from somebody?
Been selling. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this one card. You open it and sell. There was even a time.
Oh no. You go to the market. Of all the good things, you buy packet like this. And
it has not collected. Sir, look at this. This thing is made. It's selling.
It was made.
Just,
This one is from
you open it and sell one now. Don't sell it fast.
this is that people have stepped on.
Yes. Sir, if you ask, just meet those outside and ask them whether they. I don't have dealings with anything.
I am asking you, where is the invoice you used to buy this? Now you want me to do NAFDAC work with you here now? Give me the invoice you used in buying this.
Sir, look at
Give me the date you bought it and the invoice with which you procured this.
sir.
This particular one.
Sir, this has
See,
been here.
I suggest you treat this matter very seriously. We are not here to joke with you. We are not here to play with you. And nobody's laughing with you, you can see. You are laughing, you are smiling. Please, don't allow this exercise to
I
become
bought
something
this
else.
from the market, so you say that.
Okay, where is the invoice of buying now? I'm not dealing with that.
It's an invoice, simple. It's been long I bought these things. It's been long I bought these things, and we do clean us and dispose so many things because price changes in the market. If you buy, you keep updating. I don't buy this thing of recent. I don't buy them of recent. I don't buy them of recent, sir. Listen. I don't have dealings with outside people here. I don't do anything for outside people.
It's like
Look at it now.
The same.
You see a pattern to all of them.
Yes, sir.
It depends on my age. So that's where I buy goods from. You don't feel it. It's like, and you follow.
Madam, can we have a bag? Bag. We are going with this. Or carton, or better still, anything. We're going with this.
These things are stock these things for me. I can't buy things from this
Stock?
I keep it here. I can't buy. I buy things in bulk. Ask my neighbor. The time I open it here, they enter this place and sell so many things for me.
this cattle will not.
Get the legal carton. Move this one, move everything out. Move the amphetamine there.
Yeah.
Which guy? Yeah, see me, yeah.
Madam.
Nobody give me this, I beg.
He came here with it.
This place.
Today, it's not quite 1 hour.
Yeah.
Is it rich here? Lain. Comment tu? Dulu masih. Allah nasi nene. Alai. Baru mau makan amai sentina. Ya kalau saya di Greba, adongo. Wai dan Allah ka duba Bahaushe don gindin uwarsa. Saboda an kama shi ne. Yeah. He's doing video coverage. I can't get my sweat. Do those people hand to pass. Do a cha hand. No, those people do their hand. Let them pass to here. Let me get them. Let those people pass. Order our motor make them pass. We make the joint video together. We remain two for back. Let's go. They are already.
But Ben has a good knack of the dimension. But what? Ben has a papa. Can you not up the car? I want to. We got in there, you cannot open up. They are doing the pass. Pass it over, take it. One night I'm talking about how can go. I think I'll go before.
I don't enter.
No, you don't catch it. I'm telling you. No, I do that. I'm telling you. Boom. Just hear that boom before they go. You don't reach this side now. They fall that side. You will be now. They kind of don't bomb and fall down again. They cut on the The particles they reach here. That's the genesis.
Nasa.
Good morning. Good morning.
Natuna,
Yala.
Now for an NAFDAC documentary. NAFDAC staff, let's give ourselves a round of applause. You know, when we came, the thing intimidated us. And we intimidated it. We refused to be intimidated. So we have done a very good job. Very, very good job. And this is very commendable. I want to appreciate all of us for the sacrifice for everything we have put into this job. But this job is not complete without proper documentation. So nobody should rush that the work is finished. Everything we have done can be zero if there is no proper documentation. Everything. So the total number of trucks, the person recording the total number of cartons, where all of you come in, so we have to start collating now. If you don't finish this one, nobody will be here. If now next week we finish, we still have time. We enjoy ourselves, have you? If we are not including in public holiday, if you don't finish, nobody will in this place. We'll do that one. So the documentation part is key because I need to submit that detailed report. And you don't know how far that report will go. Where it will be. You understand? Some people are supposed to be here tomorrow. An international organization supposed to be here from France. Come and capture what we are doing. But unfortunately, we are finished before. They were coming to come and see the destruction exercise. But we will. That's why I call him to take a proper recording and everything we do so that when they come, it's just for sightseeing, we just give them the record of what we have done. Then all the people that we give this assignment, collect the details, and then something that is sent everything. Now, we also have, I told some people to record narcotics. Have you? Even though we started a little bit late for the narcotics. You are the one recording. I want the total details. All these things I'm asking for are very, very important. I told somebody to record GSK products. And we have a very good one that has fake clone. That one is something that we have to talk about that. Make sure I don't forget. That clone GSK product.
Sorry,
India is part of it. What am I saying? I'm working with it. Do we understand? But if I can get the report today, I can dismiss it. But if I don't get the report, I still work. Do you understand me? Yes. Okay, so thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. It's been wonderful working with you. It's been wonderful, the kind of energy you put in. Maybe I also ask the DG to put a kind of recommendation for this who did this work, because Saturday, Sunday, no difference. Everybody working to achieve the same goal. Thank you so much. I'm sure everybody will be wondering what miracle happened here. Everybody will be wondering. They will be wondering if the trailers are not the numbers we said. No, we'll show them the old details and they know that we did extra work to get here. Thank you so much. So for the team going for destruction, let's proceed there now. Team working on this, please get all your, this record should be ready at least today, so that we know we are done. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless you. And you can put it. Okay. Somebody should climb, but let's see whether I'm doing something. Yeah, I'm doing it back down. This is your work.
No, sir.
Who is the people that love this car? Who owns this motor?
This is one of the major discovery of this operation. We can see it is ampiclos by Bicham, GSK. We were seeing packed like this from China. This is a clone part. This is a clone one, and you can see that even the scratch card came inside the same carton with it. What they are going to do is to remove this and put outside here to make it look as if it's the original one. This is serious cloning, and it even has NAFDAC number, has all of those issues, all of those things. We are appealing to the members of the public to be very wary of where they buy their medicines, because this kind of medicines will still find their way into the market, and unsuspecting public will buy it in the name of original. This is clone. The owner, the importer of this will be tracked down and be dealt with.
Break your hand. You know, if you go for this smoking, I just stop us.
It's a laudable exercise that started over a month ago now, and we thank God that it has ended well. You know, today is the last lap of it. The officers had worked, and you know, you can see the passion with which they worked, the commitment, you know, the will to sanitize the nation. I'm so proud of NAFDAC staff from the southeast zone, and the staff in the lab. Everybody pulled their hands together to make sure that this success is recorded today. And the director of South Zone, he has worked. And I pray that God will bless his efforts. God will bless the career of all of us in NAFDAC. Thank you. My advice, that people should get it right. It's always good to do things the right way. Register your drugs with NAFDAC. It's not a difficult thing to do. You know, come up with the adequate documents, follow regulations, follow guidelines, and these drugs will be registered. And I don't see why a human being should be stocking expired drugs and, you know, revalidating. That is evil. I don't want to even call it sin. That is wickedness to humanity. I pray that this exercise that we have carried out, you know, will go a long way in teaching people to get it right from the beginning. And I know that if people do it right, nobody will come there to come and pick their products and destroy. We are not out to, you know, to mess up people or destroy their businesses or their, you know, their wealth. Our own is that we want people to take the right drug so that they will get healed. People can be sick and take wrong drug. So this exercise, I pray that God Almighty will reckon with it, because NAFDAC staff, both within Anambra and outside Anambra, have worked hard to make sure that Nigerians are, are provided with the right drugs. And I pray that this exercise, we don't need to come over it, don't need to repeat it again. This happened in 2007. So 2025, we are back again. In fact, worse than what it was in 2000. That means that our people are not repenting. I pray that we'll go and sin no more. That's my advice. Yes, because we have the post-marketing surveillance. They go around. But how many staff are we in NAFDAC? That's why we're asking people, informants, whistleblowers, if you know where it is not done right, please inform us. NAFDAC, we are less than 5,000. And Nigeria is a population of over 250 million. So how can this 5,000 check make 250 million? But if all of us, if all hands are on the deck, whether you're a NAFDAC staff or once you are a human being, don't even have to be a Nigerian, tell us where you see that people are not doing it right. We will go after them. One thing I promise us is that once information comes to us that people somewhere are not doing what they are supposed to do, we will not spare them. We will go for them. We will go after them. I will make sure that they come, they are brought to book. That's what, in fact, thank God that the government is even thinking of maybe some more measures, if it is possible, death penalty for these dealers, in drugs, or if the government can go after them by any means, that will also sanitize the nation.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Can be cover for this? Hold on the camera.
Because they are not true.